11 way to create an arc in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD 2022, there are options, total 11 way to create an arc. We will explain you one by one. After this video, next class we will explain you how to make a professional mechanical drawing. Then later on, the layers and all others commands. So once you come to this is the toolbar, as you know. So once you click the arc options, it will drop down, it will show the all options, all 11 options are here. So once you hold few seconds on the mouse each one, it will show the diagram for your help how to create it. Each one having one by one, just holding few seconds is showing. So for more explanation, here we have created also. Thus before starting, we would like to create a small drawing. So okay, first we will remove old one. Let's PL. First point, polyline. Second point, okay, terminate the, no need more. Then offset command, OFFSET, offset. How much offset distance? Already previously used 2.5. If you need something else, you can give, otherwise just press enter. 2.5 for, okay, let's 2.5. So just select it, and the side this side, then select it, side this side. Okay, the same way, no need more line, terminate again, PL, and no need offset, sorry, terminating the offset command. Now the polyline again, from end point this to end point this, then no more needed, so escape command. Let's first start come to here, the mouse, the arc option, first 3-point. So 3-point is very easy. Any 3-point, once you create it, like 1, 2, 3. So it is creating 3-point. Anywhere you can create 3-point. Just for example, like 1 of the ortho option, 1, 2, and 3. So this is created. Let's erase it. Now the second options come to here. Second option is start, center, end. Click this one option, start, center, asking, see here also explaining what next step we have to take. So center point and the end point, asking for end point. Also showing, if you hold the control switch, it will change the direction. So hold the control, see I hold the control, so it's changed the directions, and unhold, so it's again keep. Be remember, the AutoCAD, it's in AutoCAD, circle and arc command, creation of arc and circle going anti-clockwise. If you start from here, it will go to here. If you start from here, it will go to like this way. So next end point is this one. So start, center, end created. So now erase again. The second option is completed, start, center, end. So third, start, center, angle. The third option is start, center, angle. We know already up to here is 90 degree, and this is the 180 degree. So let's, for example, if we give 90 degree, 90. So here is a specify the angle. Once we put 90 degree, so it's create up to 90. Once again, same options, start, center, angle, start, center, angle, up to 180. Already the 180 is created half circle, so the arc is completed 180 degree. Let's remove. I hope this one is also clear. So now start center length. This is the option. Click here. Start center length, how much. By manually you can also anywhere put, and it will create. But if you can give some length like 3, so it's created up to 3. From here to here is 3. If you would like to check it by distance command, distance command. First point this one and second point is, see, is showing 3. It's showing 3 distance exactly. So if you need to check what is the center point of this, so you use point command, point, and press asking specify the point where we need to create center of this arc, or center of this arc. Let's say center of this arc. So we have to press a snap command. Later we will tell you. Just press here CENT, center of, asking now center of point. Okay, once you click, it's already showing the center. Click here. So it was the center of this. It's the same way. Delete this one. Center of this where will be the POINT point, CENT, cent of this is created. Now erase this one. Okay, so this is completed. Start end angle. Start end angle. Once you create a start end angle, how much you would like to give? 90. It's 90 degree. 180, it will be full. Start end angle. Start end angle 90. 180. So 180. So it's full, complete. So this is the angle. The same way, start and direction. Erase these things. Enter. Start and direction. Start and direction. Which like this way. So wherever you need, like this way, you can create it like this one. So this is also completed. Now the next one is start and radius. So start and radius, you give, as we know here, up to 2.5. okay, but by manually you can also put 2.5. Enter. So it's created arc. So delete it. Start and radius, the distance is completed. So start center, start end. This is the center, start end. Let's try center. Sorry, escape it again. Center, start end. Center, start end. So this is also completed. Erase it. So the same way, center, start, end from this way. You know, it's going the anti-clockwise. And sorry, erase, delete. Now start center, start angle. The center, start center. This is what this one. Start from this one. Angle. How much you? By manually you can press anywhere when you are stretching, anywhere you can put. Or for example, you give to angle 40 degree by manually. So press enter. It's already created here. 40 we press and it's up to here 40 degree. It's created. If you create 90, it will come half. 180 up to full. Okay, the same way, the start center angle. Let's once again, the start center angle. How much? 90. So this created 90. Now erase this one. Center start angle. Okay, then this is the center start length. Center start length. Now this is the option, center start length. By manually, you also same way you can stretch and you can create it, but you can specify some point. For example, we need to give the 3. So it's up to 3 created. Let's check the distance, how much it is. For distance checking, dist command for distance. Dist from this point to this point is already showing 3. See, the distance is 3. We created 3. So we created center, start and length. Center, start and length. Distance is 3. Okay, again delete it. Come to the next. Center, start, length is finished. This the continuously, so I will show you, undo it. In this command, the last command, it's see, you can see it's, for example, first point, second point, third point. Where is this? Continuously is first point, second point, third point. Once we terminate it, again it will start, means this point wherever we created the last arc, it will start from the end of that. For example, see, it will start from end of this what we have created last, continuously. Once we created, see here, so it started like this, again continuously, is it like this, then same way continuously, it says like this way. So you can create all the same way. Hope you understand. So all option has completed. Practice as much as you can practice. The practice makes man perfect.